Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a Steam Authenticator. First, ensure you have the official Steam mobile app installed on your smartphone. This app is essential for setting up the Authenticator, which provides an extra layer of security for your account. Make sure your phone's operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Having your Steam username and password handy will streamline the entire process, so gather those now. Once the Steam mobile app is installed, open it and proceed to log in using your Steam account username and password. After successfully logging in, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner, and tap on it. From the menu, select SteamGuard. The app might ask you to verify your identity by sending a code to your registered email or phone number. Enter this code to continue. Within the SteamGuard section, you will see an option to add Authenticator. Tap this and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions presented on your screen. The app will generate a unique recovery code. It is crucial to write this down and keep it somewhere very safe, as it's your only way to recover access if you lose your phone. Finally, you will need to confirm your phone number to complete the activation. Congratulations! Your Steam account is now secured with the SteamGuard mobile authenticator. Each time you log into Steam, you will be prompted to enter a unique, time-sensitive code generated by your mobile app. This code changes approximately every 30 seconds, providing robust protection against unauthorized access. Remember to keep your recovery code safe. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.